Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to short a link. Friends, if you want to short a link or URL to make it more easy to share, then you can very easily do it by opening a web browser. Now here in your web browser, you need to search for link shortener in Google. Now here you will find short url.at on the top of the search result. You can try any of the link shortener services, but in this video I will try this website. Now here you simply need to type or paste your link. I will copy my link. Now I will paste the link and click on shorten URL. Now friends, here you can see it has shortened our long URL to a very short URL link. Now to copy this link, click on copy URL. So friends, like this you can very easily short a link or URL and use it as required. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.